My freaking favorite game is trolling me right now. Okay, look, I'm gonna log in. And I'm gonna type in the code July update underscore reset. And look, I saw this on YouTube and it will work. And it will work. So I'm trying it now. Bro, this game seriously likes to troll me. I'm gonna show you. I'll show you how frustrating this is. Alright, see? Alright. Look. Do like this, and then click your team. July update underscore reset. July, okay. Look, that's how I do it. Bro, this game